Hey YouTube, this is Ricky again with another video. Today we're gonna be unboxing the new Mac Mini. This is the 2020 with the M1 chip. It's gonna be my main computer now. I don't know if you guys see my videos. I had a Mac Pro from 2009. It was the big tower that I updated and everything, but for editing 4K was not too good, so I sold it and I'm gonna be using this one. These are supposedly very good for editing videos and everything. So let's update it. Let's open it. See what we got here. So I got the version, the basic one, but with a upgraded SSD, the 512 gigabytes, and it has 8 gigabytes of memory. And I got it from Best Buy. It's right now $899.99, and yeah. Let's open it, see what's in there. Also gonna be unboxing this USB hub, so we're gonna be seeing that too. Here we got the Mac Mini, very nice. A little bit heavy. This is the LED light. And here we have the two USB ports, HDMI, and two USB ports, Ethernet port, and the power button and the power connector. All you get with this is the usual cables to power it. That's it. I'm gonna be using that. So yeah, it's a little bit heavy. Good thing about this is I can put it under my computer over there, and it doesn't require too much space to use it. You can put it anywhere, and this is like a whole computer. This will do anything. Photo editing, video editing, and it's fast. Right now with that the M1 chip is very fast. So yeah, let's see this hub, what it's all about it. I ordered this hub because it has a lot of ports, like for putting the SD card in it, and you can put a external hard drive in it too. You're gonna be seeing that too. This is the Hagibis USB port. I'm gonna be leaving that down in the description if you guys are interested in that. Though there's a bunch of them. This one Satechi too, but this was the cheapest one. It has good reviews on Amazon. So yeah, there you connect the USB-C here. It has a bunch of ports in the front for micro SD, SD, USB 3.0, and here in the bottom has that's where you put the SSD in there. Yeah, so I ordered 500 SSD, and you can put it in here. And then you will have more space into your Mac Mini. It's gonna be in the bottom or in the top, like that. However you want to put it, and then you have all these ports available. Let me see how much that costs. So yeah, there it is. Says it's not available right now, so yeah, there all of it. So yeah, I didn't find the hub, so it says currently unavailable. So this is it. But there's a bunch of them in Amazon. You can look for them. I'm gonna be connecting it and see how it works, and then I'll do a full review of it. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you until the next one. Bye bye.